Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 14th of March. The euro, currently above 129.50 against the US dollar, is at a three-month low following weeks of political uncertainty in the continent. Stemming from the political insecurity felt in Italy after the Italian elections gave no clear winner, and no Cyprus bailout package has shown the inability of European leaders to make a swift decision about a country only 0.2% of the Eurozone economy. At the same time, better than expected retail sales in the US helped the dollar edge higher. Looking ahead, we expect the European summit taking place today and tomorrow to play a significant role in the currency. The UK 100, which tracks the top 100 UK corporations, is moving just above 6,413 after dropping from 6,520. The index experienced heavy profit-taking after a long bull rally. Brent crude lost ground, moving just above $108 a barrel as the International Energy Agency revised energy demand downwards and US stockpiles rise. Weekly option volatilities for the euro-dollar rose from 7.95 to 8.40 as investors fear returns, taking into consideration the European summit taking place today and tomorrow, pushing premiums higher. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129.85. The dollar-yen pivot point at 93.30 with a preference to enter into short positions at 96.30. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 102.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.85. The sterling dollar pivot points at 148.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 148.85. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 102.45 with the preference to enter into long positions at 102.45. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 91.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 91.60. The gold pivot points at 1581 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1581. The silver pivot points at 28.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 28.85. The US 500 is at 1540 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1540. And the UK 100 is at 6474 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6474. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 8:30 GMT in Switzerland, we have the LIBOR rate expected at 0.25%. At 12:30 GMT in Canada, we have the new home price index forecast to rise by 0.1%. And also at 12:30 GMT in the US, we have the unemployment claims expected at 348,000. And our pair of the day is the Aussie dollar. The Australian dollar edged higher against the US dollar, reaching above 103.70. The Aussie's extended gains comes after better than expected job growth. This could mean the Reserve Bank of Australia will postpone further rate cuts, pulling the Australian dollar back up. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.